Hello and welcome to my course about Photoshop and UI design. From the past 8 years, I have been working as a UI designer and I faced a lot of problems. Then I thought that I should create something that can bring beginners and newbies into this UI design career. So I created this course about UI design and Photoshop. It will teach you from the basics to all the extensions, tricks, tips, shortcuts, and all the tools UI designers use in their daily routine. Okay, so let's see what's inside this course. We will begin our course by setting up Photoshop preferences for better performance and speed, and specifically we will set up Photoshop for UI design. Then we will master the grids and guides and how to lay out them instantly with the use of few extensions and plugins. Then you will master Photoshop layer styles like drop shadows, stroke effects, inset and pressed effects. Okay, so we are going to cover all these layer styles deeply so you understand how to create the light and shadow effects and all this stuff. Then there is an awesome student request section on dashboard design elements. We are going to design all these awesome looking line graphs, dot graphs, bar graphs. We are also going to craft really awesome looking header designs or hero header areas. Okay, these really matters when you are designing your website. This is the first impression on any website visitor. You are also going to learn about iOS app design. We are going to design a screen of iOS 6 app. We are also going to create this login pop-up form so you know how to design the input fields and everything. Then we have a great section on wireframes, how to create wireframes, what are the tools required for creating wireframes, and I'm going to give you the ultimate challenge to design a website based on this wireframe. Okay. Now I'm going to show you in an instant what my students have created and designed so far so you know what is the progress this course is making. Here is the work of my student Betty. She designed this Shopify theme and it is really looking great. So she created this after watching my course. You can see over here, very nice theme, very elegant, very classy. Okay, then we have this one. This is based on the mock-up I gave my students. This is designed by my student Antonella Spagnoli, and you can see over here, okay, different sections, our services. Okay, this is one other work of my students. Then you can see over here, this is another one, Saqib Amin by Saqib Amin, my student, and you can see how he laid out everything really nice, and it is based on the last wireframe I gave them for the challenge. Okay, you can see over here. Here are the few headers created by my students. You can see over here, innovates, it's time to collaborate and make ideas. Then this one from Daryl Hainsworth. Then here are few iOS app screens, the ideas I got from my students. This is one of the students' work, Daryl Hainsworth. Then this is from Neil. This is also another exercise he did. So these are all the great things my students are doing. So if you want to join as a student, you are more than welcome. This course is equally good for beginners as well as experts. Even if you are designing from past 8 years or 6 years, you will really like the tips and tricks I have shared in this course. You will love the extensions and popular scripts I have shared in this course. So don't miss out this course. Do check out its curriculum and let's see you in that course.